Alright, ladies and gents, this is the hydroponic product growing system. I bought this probably a week ago, so I got it just now warming up. So what I'm going to do here, this video is all about just putting it together. I'm going to do a second one on video on actually planting the seeds and all that good stuff. Let me see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Well, it looks like it's oh, looks like it's already put together. I thought I had to do some sort of assembly, but it looks like I don't need any assembly. So I can lift this up then. Lift it up. Okay. So it's pretty well assembled. Okay. Okay, let me see here. We got, this is planting notes. Put your planting notes here. And your quick start guide. Check that out. And of course we have the manual. Got to have the manual, right? So read through the manual, see what's going on there. But yeah, it's already together. That's good. So it's just a matter of, okay. Okay, this is where all the goodies are. Oh, okay, we got all this stuff. This is the stuff you need to plant it. This must be your cord that you plug it up at. Let's do this. Let's put the plug in. The plug is a okay, here's the AC cord. I'm going to plug it up. Plug it up in the back. Right back here in the back. See how it works. At least it works. Okay, it's plugged up. Okay. Let me show you how it looks when it's plugged up. See, there go the lights right there. The light is red. You got a power light. See that? Now what you see now is you got the power light on. It went off. You got the power light on, you have the water light on, so the power and water light. Now it has 3 different standards of light. Can you see it? Let me see, can you see it? I don't know, it's not that clear, is it? The light I just hit there was the that's the herbs light. No, that's the flower and fruits light. Flower and fruits light. And that's the herbs light. So it has different different light colors for different plants. Oh, it looks kind of dark. I don't know if I can see that well. I'm not no Steven Spielberg or we go back to the regular. Now it's off. Now we had the water and the Vespa light on. See? The water and Vespa light. So it's three stages of light. That's there. It's kind of bright too, huh? And this to tell you the level of the water, how high your water is. This takes about maybe 6 liters of water. Okay? Let me cut this off. Takes about 6 liters of water. There's a package that comes with a, this is the plant food here. Plant food. These are the little, this is where you put the pods in. Let me open it up first. Put the pods in there. And actually these are where you put, this is where you put the seeds are. You got to wet this up, but this is where you put the seeds. Along, put these inside the pods, and the seeds go here. What all I'm showing you now is how to assemble it, but basically it's already assembled. I didn't know it was already assembled. Then you got stickers you can put on there, the name what plants you're working with. And you got more stuff. This is what you have when you when you want to name the different type of vegetables or whatever you have there. You have these here, you can pull them out and name. You got so many of those. And you put these over when you're trying to grow the plants. You have the light on. You see that? Got about 12 of them, I guess, something around there. Like I said, these are caps you put on ones that you're not going to use. It can take 12 pots. So if you just want to grow 4 or 5, then you can cover the rest of them up with these here. And you also have something to help you with the seeds. If I can get in here. It seems like when you get on camera, everything want to act up. And this is where you want to get the seeds, the small seeds. Work with that. You also have the rods here. Something growing, you might want to hold it up. I think it's about 12 of them, I believe. And of course, this goes inside here on top. And this is where you put everything at, the pods. Okay? And the water goes here. You pour the water in here. You got a cap for that too, but it's somewhere. Well, it's a cap go over there. This is where you pour the water. It's about maybe a little over 6 liters. It takes, it's at 12 pods. It's nice size. And so I'm just showing you how to set it up and demonstrate what it can do. So that's it for now. So when I get part 2, I'm gonna actually put the plants in and all that good stuff. You got holes, and this goes up, it goes higher. Depends on the size of the plants. This is a reason for it going higher. You can even tilt this. So I bought this online. So I'm gonna, thing turn off on me. I'm going to grow some probably vegetables like such as lettuce, peppers, banana pepper, chili peppers. Um, that's what I'm planning to grow. I'll probably throw some greens in there, collards. uh, I mean everything too high. Everything too high. I buy that iceberg lettuce and it used to cost 99 cents. It went from 99 cents to 129 a head. Now they want like $1.99 the past several months. So I'm gonna grow me some stuff. So we'll see. Like I say, I'm just showing you how to. But it comes as simple. So that's good. So you just put things together. So when I come the second one, I'll get into the planting and getting all this other good stuff, putting stuff in here and all that. So see you next time, okay? See you next time.